got on my face.
Lick it, damn it!
Oh, look at lemoniness and whatnot. Lemony goodness. It tastes good. I love this kind of pie. Bookers. My face feels refreshed. Seriously, like I feel like my face is all refreshed now. That was good. I can't get my nose. I see creaminess. Hała. It felt all squishy. It was like,
I was afraid to throw it too hard because I was afraid if I did any harder, it would hurt your nose or something.
oh yeah, it didn't hurt. It felt all squishy. It was like squish.